So when I started, it all looked like, pretty much all of it looked like that right there. Like what you see there. And this is what I've done. Cutting vines like this. I don't have small hands. That vine is quite a bit thicker than my finger. I've used a chainsaw, I've used a sawzall, I've used a hedge trimmer, loppers, pruning shears, a weed eater, a rake, and a blower. To get this done. See, all this was totally just, this area is full. Had to cut fallen trees like that. All because some puppies decided that they wanted to dig out of the yard and go eat chickens that don't belong to the person who owns the puppies. But yeah, all of this. I had to cut all those. It's just a lot. A lot. It's taken me about 3 days to do it. And all this year was just completely full of vines. This is a vine, not a tree. See that? Compared to my finger. That's a vine. Crazy. All this stuff. See how all this is right here? It's like, I basically cut a canopy out to be able to do the fence here, out of the vines. All that stuff there. Had to cut and push back out of the way. So think about, I don't know, I think I said probably about 15 years worth of this not being touched back here. So yeah, nice little walk through the woods today. Hope y'all are having a good one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Who knows what it'll be, since I'm sort of a jack-all-trades master of none. Y'all have a good one.